Hey everyone, I'm Mike with Toner Cable, and today we're going to show you how to connectorize a piece of RG6 coax cable. First we're going to go over all the tools. You're going to need your angle cutters, your EZ56 F connectors, piece of RG6 coax. This is the CST 5911 cable stripper, and your cable compression tool. So first thing we're going to do is ensure we have a nice clean cut on our cable. The reason we're going to do that is because we want a nice flush connection with our prep tool. So we're going to squeeze it to open it up and insert the cable up until the stop there. Once that's done, we're just going to turn it a couple of times to strip the tool and remove. Now we have it stripped back, but we still have to peel back the shielding or the braiding on the piece of cable. This will ensure that you have proper signal throughout. Next, we're going to take our fitting and insert it into the cable. You're going to press it down, kind of twist it. And what you're looking to do is get the white dielectric flush with the metal in there. Once that's done, you're going to have just a little bit of stinger sticking out at the back there. Next, we're going to take our compression tool, open it up, and we're going to slide the connector in and squeeze. Once that's done, your coax is properly connectorized. That's been how to put an F connector on a piece of RG6 coax. Thanks for watching.